15 years ago, almost to this day, Steve Jobs and the Apple team launched the revolutionary iPhone. No longer did you need a separate device to take photos, to listen to music, to set your alarm. They brought it into one unified ecosystem, and that's exactly what Champion Health and Physitrack are aiming to do by bringing everything into one unified place. Now today we launch the first step on that journey, the physiotherapy access into Champion Health. So at the click of a button, your team and people like you can book an appointment within 48 hours to be able to see a physiotherapist. Now, physiotherapy is something that is hugely needed and it's in huge demand across the UK and globally. We know that half of employees are currently in pain. 80% of those are saying that it's moderate to severe when it comes to their pain. And we know that 63% of those will be experiencing some sort of mental health challenge and difficulty, and productivity is reducing as well. We're really proud to get started on this journey by launching physiotherapy, and in the coming months you're going to see some huge announcements with combining psychotherapy and mental health support, as well as other health and wellbeing areas, all into one platform to make healthier easier for everyone.
Champion Health, one platform, all areas of well-being.